Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Pomegranates have held value for centuries for their health and skincare benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, this super fruit has powerful anti-aging, hydrating, and skin-boosting effects. Not only does eating pomegranate support skin health, but topical use of its seed oil and extract in skincare can deliver significant skin benefits. In this video, we'll explore the science behind the benefits of pomegranates for the skin. We'll also review the best way to use pomegranate in your skincare routine. What are pomegranates? For thousands of years, pomegranates, Punica granatum, have had uses in traditional medicine and beauty, originating from Persia and the Himalayan regions of northern India. The pomegranate fruit quickly spread across the world. In ancient Egypt, their extracts were used for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The Greeks and Romans associated them with youth and vitality. Incorporating them into skincare and hair treatments. In Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, pomegranate seed oil was prized for its benefits in balancing skin. Soothing inflammation and wound healing. Today, pomegranate is enjoying a revival in modern skincare due to its remarkable ability to fight free radicals. Support collagen production and deeply nourish the skin. This is because pomegranates are rich in bioactive compounds such as punicalagins and anthocyanins. These are potent antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and prevent premature aging. Punicic acid, omega-5 fatty acid, a rare fatty acid. This deeply hydrates and reduces inflammation. Vitamin C. This is essential for making collagen. Skin brightening and sun damage protection. Tannins and flavonoids. These anti-inflammatory compounds help calm irritation and redness. Ellagic acid. This is a polyphenol that prevents water loss and reduces hyperpigmentation. Benefits of pomegranate for skin. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants. Vitamins and essential fatty acids. These provide a range of benefits for the skin, including anti-aging. Pomegranates contain high levels of antioxidants that protect the skin from UV damage and oxidative stress, which cause sunspots. Wrinkles, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. Pomegranate extract can also stimulate fibroblasts, which are the skin cells responsible for collagen production. This helps to improve skin firmness and elasticity. Deep hydration and barrier repair. Pomegranate seed oil is rich in punicic acid. An omega-5 fatty acid that locks in moisture and prevents transepidermal water loss, TEWL. Unlike heavier oils, pomegranate oil absorbs quickly. Making it an excellent choice for hydration without clogging pores. It is especially beneficial for dry, sensitive, or injured skin. Soothes inflammation and reduces redness. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate make it effective at calming irritated skin. Ellagic acid and flavonoids work together to reduce redness and support the skin's healing process. Making pomegranate particularly helpful for eczema. Rosacea and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Regulates sebum and fights acne. Pomegranate seed oil doesn't clog pores and helps to balance oil production. This makes it useful for acne-prone skin. Additionally, it has antimicrobial properties. Which can help prevent breakouts while soothing inflamed skin. Brightens skin and fades hyperpigmentation. Pomegranate contains natural skin brightening compounds. Like vitamin C and ellagic acid. Over time, this can fade dark spots. Even out skin tone and make the skin more radiant. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.